Welcome back to Invention Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I am highlighting some really good deals going on right now for RENOGY. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time. And you can use my promo code ADVENTURETECH, which will get you an additional discount on top of this really big discount going on right now. We are checking out RENOGY's 53 quart portable refrigerator. I've been using one of these for a while now. I got the unboxing coming out pretty soon on Invention Tech 2.0, so keep an eye out for that on my other YouTube channel where we do hands-on unboxing and things like that. 2-in-1 53 quart portable refrigerator. It does have two different sizes, so you can turn one side into a freezer and the other side into a fridge, or the other way around. So we got fast cooling. It is very efficient. It only uses somewhere between 30 and 60 watts or something like that. It barely ever uses any power. It lasts a very long time for you. Equipped with high efficiency LG cooling compressor. Portable refrigerator can cool your food and drinks from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in around 15 minutes. And it has a very user-friendly design. The array of user-friendly and versatile features ensures convenient and enriched usage during outdoor camping and travel. It's got a built-in drainage hole, which is nice when you're trying to clean this. The top of it has a measurement, so you can measure your catch of the day while you're cleaning it. And the top actually can flip off and connect on either side, which is ideal if you have it in your vehicle. I actually find myself flipping this back and forth depending on whether or not I'm reaching from inside my vehicle or from outside the vehicle. Got portable handles built right in, and you can actually strap this down very easily with these really nice strong handles. It's got a built-in cutting board, which is really convenient and it's nice. You have cup holders on top, which is nice, especially if you have this in your vehicle. And it's got overcurrent fuse built right in. Very energy efficient. Eco mode prioritizes energy efficiency, ideal for prolonged outdoor adventures, while max mode delivers rapid cooling power for times when you need your items chilled quickly. Dual control method. Select the most convenient control method to suit your requirements across various situations. Now, this is actually really convenient too. If you're worried about this, you can use the app to check in on it. And it's got an intuitive panel built right in, and you don't have to use the app if you don't want to. 50-liter large capacity. This is a good size cooler. This portable refrigerator can hold up to 60 cans of 12-ounce sodas. Its large capacity ensures ample room for both food and beverages, catering to your outdoor camping requirements. Effortless mobility. 2 large easy roll wheels ensures the fridge won't get stuck on stones or uneven terrain. It is very easy to move around. The pull-out handle is very convenient. Easy to pull out of your vehicle, roll around, bring it back in, just like that. And you can power your refrigerator different ways. You can actually plug power bank into this, power station, or your AC wall outlet. And of course, you can plug this into your vehicle, which is really nice. 3 battery voltage protection built right in, and 40% anti-shake. This is really great for overlanding. Scale hills with peace of mind. Featuring 40% anti-shake mechanism, this portable refrigerator stays stable on rough terrain, securing your food during outdoor adventures. And I will vouch for that. I had it in my Overlander for about a year, and I've never had any problems with it at all. The reversible and detachable lid is very convenient. You can pop it off. It can hinge on either side, which becomes very convenient when you're either using it from inside your vehicle or outside your vehicle. And it's going to be ideal for camping, out on the boat, RVs, semi-trucks, or even at home. So check it out. These are usually $4.99, and right now they're only $2.99. So that's a huge discount, and you can use my promo code ADVENTURETECH to get an additional discount on top of that. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over here, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You could be one of the first people to get to one of these really great deals.